Have you always struggled to find ways to hold down cargo in your pickup truck? Introducing the Cargo Post. This patented product will change the way you hold down your cargo. Made and designed in the USA, the Cargo Post installs in just minutes. Here, let me show you. First things first, you use the Cargo Post arm, throw it over the truck's U-bolt. Take the Cargo Post locking plate and slide it right in there and fasten and secure. Next, you grab your Cargo Post plate and the hitch holder, slide it right through and place it right over the arm, grabbing the 2 hex bolts provided. Fasten and secure. Grab your cylinder holder for any cylindrical objects that you may have and slide it up and into the Cargo Post plate, and there you go.